What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your boy Chef Yarneezie, the Pip Master. Look here, y'all. Look, Vertex Pharmaceuticals is on the move for you option traders. If you look at my 50, 200, and my 800 and the Fibonacci, it actually went down below the 50 and then it started to make a nice climb. If you look at my RSI still has a ways to go. I think my RSI is only at, let me see where my RSI is actually sitting at right now. RSI is sitting at 60.49, so it still has a ways to go. I believe it will not stop until it reaches about 205 for now. So this is a nice call, especially if you caught it down here or right here at the bottom of the W. You know, this W that it forms. So I know you can see that letter, right? I like when it forms a W. A lot of times when they form a W, that right arm of the W goes a little higher. So if you look here, that's the right arm of the W, and it just kept climbing. It's kind of set up in that same format here. So that's Vertex. And then, of course, my favorite, US 30, the Dirty 30. Now, I do this on forex, guys. So I caught the US 30 from Walmart. This is my analogy, right? So US 30 likes to go from home to Walmart to the beach. And then after that, it just keeps on going like it's trying to go to Ocean City because you know I'm out here in Delaware. So it tries to go to Ocean City. Now, it may come back home, but right now it's on a climb. If you look at the higher time frame, on a 4-hour chart, US 30 is set to at least hit the 50, which puts it at about 35, 145 or so. But the 50 will come down and make a swoop move. That's what I call it. All this other crap is stuff that I draw, and then it's in my channel. So I already knew to bounce off the channel and then buy up. So it looks like US 30 may set another high. I do have a predicted high of 35,855 by the 4th of September or so, by the 29th of this month. That's what I'm predicting the US 30 to do, but we shall see. Outside of that, last thing I want to look at is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is clowning. Look at the Fibonacci. The Fibonacci has Bitcoin coming back up to my pass-through zone and then up to my price rejection zone, way up here at 50,000. That'd be nice if Bitcoin can do that again. Let me look at the higher time frame to see where we are. And all these lines, right, this is just periods that I drew to kind of like gauge where I was going to get in and out of the market. So don't worry about all the stuff on my charts again. I think I drew this on the hour chart. Yeah, that channel was drawn on the hour chart. So it went out of my channel. Now it looks like it wants to come back in the channel. So I'm going to redraw this sucker. And if it comes back in my channel, like I said, I'm looking at it hitting about 50,000. That's to come back into the channel. So it's looking good right now for you Bitcoin lovers. And then let me look at gold and silver real quick. Oh, wow. Silver did a nice drop. This was my brother Isaiah's low range, and it went below that. So he's been saying 23,000 for like this whole week. And I bet if he was in it, he got his wish. I call these the three fingers, the 50 to 200 and the 800. And when the three fingers start to make a wide opening, section looking like three fingers spread, if you hold your three fingers up and then you spread them, most of the time currency comes back through so it can get back to 50, 200 and at least to the 800. So it will come back up. I don't know what day because I don't follow silver like that. That's on the 1 minute chart. On the 1 hour chart, look at the three fingers on this one. It's way below. So it should make a climb up afterwards, but it looks like it's trying to go back down maybe to about 22.5 or so. And the way I gauge that is if it commits, meaning if it comes about this far down to 22, if it comes down to 22.5, I call that a commitment to sell further down, right? And it looks like it just may do that. And then lastly, gold. They normally do the same thing, right? Let me go to the hour chart on gold and see if they look alike at all. Let's look at that. Let's look at gold and silver. Okay, silver, gold. They kind of look alike, but gold already made its move. We talked about 1788, then 1794, and as you can see, it hit both of those. Then it hit the 800. Now it's passing back through. The 50 crossed over the 200 here, right? which is letting you know that it was a strong buy up. And then now it's going to reach a level of consolidation. Let me see if that's about right. Let's see to the right. Yep, that's the level of consolidation. So it's back where it's comfortable. I always say money comes back to where it's comfortable. And the same, same thing it did here in this zone. If I scroll to the right some more, it's probably going to be in that, yeah, same area, right? Same area. So that's this comfort zone right up in here, right? Up in 1775 all the way up to about 1794. That's gold's comfort zone. This was an unusual drop. That was the news. Anyway, that's my analysis on one of the stocks that I'm following for is my stock options, and then Bitcoin. Of course, I'm following Bitcoin, and it looks like it's already coming up, guys, right to the area that I just said. I mean, that was, you got to see this on the call, so on my video. So it's not like I made it up. It went right here to 48,355 is right close to where it should be going. It looks like the 1618 on the Fibonacci is at 48,470, and as high as at 49,463 at the 4.236, which is the highest level on the Fibonacci. Now I'm always looking for it to come back through an area where it's been before. That's my pass-through zone. Means it's going to pass through this area and go constantly through here and consolidate for a while. So we shall see what happens with Bitcoin. That's my time. I'm your boy, Chef Yarneezie, the Pip Master, and I'm out. Hopefully you make some money.